I'm going to show you in this short tutorial how to bring footage to media pool in DaVinci Resolve 18. So I'm just going to quickly reset UI, click on workspace, and then here reset UI layout. So everything looks like your UI, nothing is different. And here we just have to enable media pool here. And now we can simply click on right click, and here we can select import media. Click now on import media. Now you can import your footage. And we can also open our folder where we have located all our footage or our videos. We can simply hold Control and select our footage, or just select one video and drag it to your media pool. That's another way. Now, a second method is to use the shortcut Control+I. Now you can select your video. And if you want to delete a video, you can simply just right click and select remove selected clip, or just click select the video and click delete on your keyboard. And you also here have show power bins, and here you can add some videos that you use a lot for your projects. Let's say you have some animation, some audio. You can import your audio or videos here that you use frequently, that you use a lot. You can import them here. Just import here, and every time you open DaVinci, you're gonna have the footage, the videos, the audio here. And from here you can now just work on your video. Just uncheck this so we can see our video as well. So I really hope, guys, you found this short video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.